Hello guys, welcome to my channel with a new tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to create a helical gear in Solidworks. So let's get started. Go to the sketch. Click on sketch. Choose the front plane. Now take the circle command and draw two circles here in the origin. Click OK. Now click on Smart Dimension command. Click on the outer circle and give the diameter as 114 mm. Click OK. Now click on the smaller circle. Give the circle diameter as 50 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now go to the rectangle command and take the center rectangle. Draw a rectangle on the circle quadrant like this. Click OK. Click on Smart Dimension command. Give the rectangle width as 8 mm. Click OK. And the length as 14 mm. Click OK. Click OK to finish the command. Now click on Trim Entities command. And erase the extra lines like this with Power Trim command. Click OK. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Boss command. Give the length as 100 mm. Click on Reverse Direction. Click OK. Now take the chamfer command. Click on these circular edges one by one like this. Rotate a little, and click on these circles on this side as well. Give the chamfer value as 2 mm on 45 degrees angle. Click OK. Now make it normal. Go to the curves. Click on Helix and Spiral command. Choose this surface. Now take the circle command and draw a circle here in the origin like this. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command. Click on Circle. Give the circle diameter as 114 mm. Click OK and then click on Finish. Make it normal. Click here and choose Height and Pitch. Give the height value as 100 mm, pitch value as 1371 mm. Give the angle 90 degree. Click on Reverse Direction. Click OK. Now click on this surface. Click on Sketch. Go to the line. Take the Center Line command. And draw a line from the origin towards upside like this. Now click on 3 points arc command. A little zoom it. Draw an arc from here like this. Click OK. Now select this arc, press hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this circle. Make it cordial. Click OK. Now click on Smart Dimension. Give the value as 6 mm, click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Click on Mirror Entities. First select the object and then select this center line as a reference. Click OK. Now go to the Tools menu. Click on Sketch Tools and then click on Dynamic Mirror command. Select the center line as a reference. Now take the 3-point arc and draw an arc like this. Again draw an arc from there to here. Now take the Line command and draw a line from here to the center line. Press Escape to finish the command. Now take the Smart Dimension command. Click this arc and give the arc radius as 2 mm. Click OK. Give the radius of this arc as 20 mm. Click OK. Give the distance between these points as 9.5 mm. Click OK. The distance between these points is 0.5 mm. click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now select this line, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this arc, make it tangent. Take Smart Dimension command. Give the distance between these points on this arc as 12 mm. Click OK. Give the height of this arc as it is. Click OK. Sketch is fully defined now. Click OK and click on Finish. Make it normal. Go to the features and click on Swept Cut. Sketch is already selected. Now simply select this line as path. Click OK. Now select this line and click on Hide. It looks perfect now. Select Cut Sweep 1. Go to the pattern and select Circular Pattern. Give the quantity as 22. Select this hole as a reference. Click OK. Here we have made a helical gear. It looks perfect. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.